In this video I will show you how to access Google Forms. It is very easy. We can of course use Google to find Google Forms. Now if you will type in on Google Forms, then it will appear in the results. Now select it and then the Google Forms will be opened. Now you can select a recent form which you have created, or you can create a new blank form. Also you have an option to select it from the template gallery. Now the next option to access Google Forms is basically go to Google and then click on the 9 dots on the right side, so the Google app sign. Select that, scroll a little bit down and eventually you will find the Google Forms icon. Now if you select that, Google Forms will also open. And this is how you access Google Forms easily. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!